Hi, my name is Walt Mitchell. I'm from Ann Arbor, Michigan. Basically been in business for 29 years and loving every bit of it. Financing since 2005 and then the sales since 92. Love the business, love educating my customers. I was one of the top salesperson at one time. Now I know the sales part, I know the finance part. So as you coming in as an individual, I can relate to exactly where you're at on the sales end, and also you don't have to go anywhere else. You just come straight to me, you have to see nobody else. Anybody with challenge credit, bankruptcy, bad credit, good credit, from A to Z. My motto is, I got you. The family atmosphere at Northland Chrysler Jeep is an incredible experience. Ken Thomas is one of the best owners around. He is so humble, gracious, and kind for what he does for the community. And he gives back so much to the community as well. When it comes to financing, come see me, Walt Mitchell, here at Northland Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.